Along the banks of the Amazon River, alert members of the capybara family watch over the herd. The dense vegetation and murky water harbor many threats for these giant rodents. While the adults keep watch, the young feed. While able to eat grass from just a week old, they drank milk for the first 16 weeks of their lives. They can suckle from any mother of the group and do so indiscriminately. This life may seem blissful, but in the Amazon there are many predators, and these plum-body capybaras are a favorite prey. The pint-sized pups are vulnerable, and everyone needs to be in constant lockout. Any type of distraction can spell disaster.